Hats up tech fans, I'm your host and today we're diving into some of the hottest stories in the tech world. Buckle up, it's time to get updated. First up, the buzz around Pollen. Negus-Fancey and Herdr Wright are allegedly trying to erase an article from the web, and guess who's in the mix? Google, the tech giant, is reportedly aiding in this digital vanishing act. Check out the details and reader reactions online, it's generating quite the discussion. In a mind-bending twist, two papers from the 1940s by the legendary Max Planck have been retracted. Yes, you heard it right. Decades later, the scientific community is revisiting these foundational works. Curious about the why and how? Dive into the full story with the link below. Calling all terminal enthusiasts. Herdr is making waves as an agent multiplexer living right in your terminal. Created by Helic, this tool promises to supercharge your terminal experience. For all coding buffs and tech geeks, this could be your next favorite tool. Hold on to your hats, which verification might just be the start, the real game changer. Automated attribution of speech. This groundbreaking concept could redefine how we verify online interactions. The community is abuzz with a whopping 322 comments. Don't miss out on this evolving conversation. And finally, Lotion is making a bold move. They're ditching their Wakif-influenced email app as the agents take center stage. Lotion is going all in to revolutionize your inbox experience. Exciting times ahead for productivity lovers. That's it for today's Tech Roundup. Like and subscribe for daily tech updates.